Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute patriotic pallet sign. I had this palette that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I had used it for another project. It stands on its own, and I had already painted it white for another project, so I just left it the white, and I'm just going to reuse it for this one. I had some striped and star scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby, and this little home sign that I got at Joann's, and some brown wax. So the first thing I did was cut my scrapbook paper into 3 separate pieces, 2 smaller pieces for the top 2 slats and one larger piece for the bottom slats. So I'm going to attach the striped paper on half of the top and then the star paper on the other half of the top. And then the larger piece of scrapbook paper, which was also the stripes, is going to go on the bottom. Once I had those all attached with my Mod Podge and they had dried, I'm going to take my scissors and cut through the slats on the top half and then the bottom half. And I'm just scoring through, and then I'm going to take a nail file that I had and I'm going to sand the slats and all the way around the edges of the whole sign. Once I had those all sanded and then I cleaned up my mess, I'm going to take a sanding sponge that I got at Dollar Tree and I'm just going to go over the whole sign. And I wanted this to look sort of rustic, so I did it right over the top of all of the scrapbook paper. And in some places I did it a little harder, in some places I did a little lighter. I just really wanted it to have a rustic aged look. Once I had that all done, I'm going to take my home sign and I'm going to use my brown wax and stain the home sign with the brown wax. Once I had all the stain on, I'm just going to take a baby wipe and wipe off the excess that I didn't want on there. I didn't want it to be too dark, so I used the baby wipe to wipe off the excess so it wasn't so dark. And that's the home sign. Next, I'm going to take that same baby wipe that had the leftover brown wax on it, and I'm just going to run it all over the whole entire palette. And I made sure that I got the edges and all of the sides of the paper. I really wanted it to look aged and rustic. Once I had that all done, I'm going to take and hot glue my home sign right to the bottom of the palette. And I just used a tiny bit of hot glue because I didn't want it to spew out all over the sides once I placed the home sign down. And that is it. This project is finished, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I love rustic Americana. It's my favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.